Hello and welcome to this training video brought to you by the COVID-19 Fiscal Team. This quick video is to help orient you to the new tracking tools that have been created for all of the COVID-19 funding sources. On the COVID-19 Fiscal Headquarters website, there are links to various trackers that have been created for each respective funding source that have been issued due to COVID-19. We are going to take a few moments and review why these tools were created and how to utilize them. COVID-19 has required an expansive response across our state. Funds have been released to support these operations. There are many different funding sources, and it can be difficult to keep track of various grant details. Therefore, we have created some tools to assist in this process. The intent of these tools is to provide the respective organizations with information needed for reconciliation with their own fiscal tracking. What these tools do is represent an account of the payments made to each funding source and the corresponding receiving agency. CDPHE updates these after each invoice, advance payment, or fixed monthly payment has been made. This will provide you a place to track your expenditures and compare our notes to yours. Essentially, it's a place to ensure all checks and balances are adding up in case of audits. Currently, there are 4 tracking tools available: FEP1, FEP2, ELC, and the CARES Act or DEF. All of these are available on the COVID-19 fiscal website. Now, let's review some of the details of these tools. On the first tab called Information Sheet is a summary of all important information. It has things such as VC and PO numbers, payment frequency, and contact information. If you want to look at just your agency, you can click on the 3 lines at the bottom of the sheet. It will provide you a list of all the tabs within the sheet, and you can easily find your agency in the alphabetical list. Once you have clicked on your tab, there's a lot of useful information if you are wondering the status of your PO or invoice. Let's dive a little deeper. You can see your award information, such as how much you had in total, how much was been left, and what's been spent. You can also see names of monitoring teams in case you have questions. On the lower half of the page is where all of the submitted invoices are reflected. This is where you can track to see the status of the invoice you've submitted in case you're wondering when you will be reimbursed. On the lower half, any budget revisions are listed along with invoice due dates. This concludes this quick training video. We hope these tools prove useful to you. Thank you for listening to this video and all of your hard work.